Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do a Dutch braid. It's super easy, perfect for beginners, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Grab a small section from the top of your head from your temples to the back and split it into 3 strands. Make sure your hands are in the right position. Then hold 2 strands in your right hand and 1 in your left. Start by crossing the right strand under and pulling it to the middle with your left thumb and index finger. Then do the same with the left strand. Cross the right strand under again, pull it to the middle with your left thumb and index finger. Hold all the strands in your left hand. This frees up your right hand to add hair. Pick up a horizontal section from the same side and add it to the middle strand between your thumb and index finger. For the left side, cross the left strand under, pull it to the middle with your right thumb and index finger. Hold everything in your right hand. Add a section of hair from the same side into the middle strand between your thumb and index finger. Keep switching sides. Cross the right strand under again and pull it to the middle. Hold everything in your left hand. Add hair from the right. Cross the left strand under again and pull it to the middle. Hold everything in your right hand. Add hair from the left. Now just keep the pattern going all the way down. Right, cross under, hold, add hair. Left, cross under, hold, add hair. Keep braiding until you reach the nape of your neck. Once there's no more hair to add, braid the rest of the way down and tie it off. For a fuller, more textured look, gently pull on the edges of your braid. And that's it, a super easy, gorgeous Dutch braid. Want to learn more styles? Check out my playlist for step-by-step tutorials that will help you master braiding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on new hair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.